How to create and manage workflows and complete the compliance summary. Once you have created your new client or accessed an existing client's record, click Create View Sales on the left-hand navigation bar. For a new client, the existing Sales Workflows section will be empty as shown here. Using the Create New Sales Workflow section at the bottom of the screen, enter the description, fact find type, and advisor to create a new workflow. Workflows could also be described as case files. The description is a free text box. The fact find type selected will impact what documents are required in the next stage of the process, which is known as the compliance summary. Each summary is tailored to the type of business which you are conducting. If selling both mortgage and protection, then two separate workflows will need to be created. In this example, we will create a mortgage workflow as we are going to discuss the client's mortgage needs. The advisor can be selected from this drop-down, although will default to your own name. The list of advisors shown here will be dependent on your access levels. Click Add to create your new workflow. Once your workflow is created, you will automatically be taken to the compliance summary, which is the screen that we are currently on. This is where you will add all of your client's documentation to build a complete case file. There is some guidance and a key at the top of the screen. The red crosses are mandatory, the amber crosses are mandatory depending on the type of business, and the green ticks means that you have attached a document to that section. A completed case file will have green ticks throughout. Every document required for a complete case file is listed in your summary. As mentioned previously, this is tailored to the type of workflow which you created. This example is for mortgages. These sections currently cannot be edited and the buttons to the right-hand side are grey. This is to stop accidental changes from being made. To make changes to this screen, scroll to the top or bottom and click Edit on the right-hand side. This will unlock every section and the buttons will be blue and available to click on. Standard template documents can be added to Toolbox and pulled through to the summary at the click of a button. The documents marked with an amber cross may not be required for this sale, and the NA button can be ticked for them. Once the summary is saved, these will be marked with a green tick. There is also the option to add attachments. This will allow you to select documents from your computer. Click here to upload a file. Select all of the documents that you would like to attach. Click and press Shift or Control on your keyboard to select multiple at a time. Alternatively, you can drag and drop these from a folder on your computer into the grey area on the upload screen. All selected documents are uploaded here at the bottom of the screen. The names can be amended and the area to upload them can be chosen from the drop-down. Using this, you can upload multiple documents at a time to multiple sections of the compliance summary. Once all the sections have been selected, click Upload, and all of your documents will be uploaded into their respective sections on the compliance summary. If you happen to have made a mistake and uploaded a document to the wrong area, you can click on the green section to the right-hand side of the document and move or copy it. This will move this document from the incorrect section on the compliance summary into the appropriate section. Clicking Copy will allow me to move one document from this workflow to another workflow. For example, we are currently on the mortgage workflow with our disclosure document attached. However, we also have created a protection workflow where we would like the same document to be attached. Therefore, we can just copy it across. Further to adding documents to the compliance summary using the Add Attachment option, the fact find can automatically be pulled through into this screen once completed by clicking Save Draft or Validated Fact Find. Some other documents, such as those from the integrated sourcing systems, will pull through automatically once sourcing is completed. There is also a Contact Notes section at the bottom of the screen to add anything which is important to note at this stage. Once you have attached all of the documents required at this stage, click Update in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. This will lock the screen from any further editing. Any changes made are date, time and user stamped, so a full audit trail is kept. You can also come back into the compliance summary at any stage to edit it further. There is the option to only show the outstanding documents rather than the full list of everything for this case. This is helpful once the summary has been partially completed, as it only displays what is still required to complete your file. It can be switched on or off as desired. Clicking back into Create View Sales on the left-hand navigation will allow you to view all other workflows and edit them accordingly. The workflow we were just in was simply described as mortgage. This may be quite difficult to locate in the future once we have created more workflows for this client. Therefore, we may wish to rename it to something more specific. To do this, simply press Edit on the right-hand side and make the required amendments. Clicking View will take you back into the compliance summary for that workflow. Now we are also going to create a protection workflow following the same process as before. Once we create our protection workflow, we will be taken straight to the protection compliance summary, which only requires protection-related documents. This can be completed in the same way as the mortgage one we were just working on. Once we have added our documents to the compliance summary, click Update to save our changes. Going back into the Create View Sales screen, you can see both the mortgage and protection workflows that we have been working on, and easily access these again to add further documents. Finally, if your case is selected for quality review, the reviewer will use the Compliance Checklist screen to complete this. Any queries they may have with your case will appear here. A pre-quality check form is a document check which simply validates that the documents in the compliance summary are attached correctly. An advice quality review check will be a full review of the advice given, ensuring that it is the best option for the client. You will be able to see if any queries have been raised on a checklist from the home page in this section. The number in the top right corner of this box indicates the amount of tasks that need to be completed within that section.